Welcome back to RichMinded Skills, the home of smart trading, powerful automation, and life-changing opportunities. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're about to show you something incredible. Today is a very special day. I am beyond excited to introduce to you my brand new cutting-edge Forex trading robot, the Richfreedom 24/7 Pro. This is not just another robot. This is a complete game changer. The Richfreedom 24/7 Pro trades for you around the clock, day and night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with smart precision, consistency, and zero emotions. While you sleep, while you work, while you enjoy life with your family, this robot is out there making trades, capturing profits, and building your wealth. Right now, as we speak, it's live and actively trading. And as you can see on the screen, it's already in profit. This is real-time performance, not backtesting. This is the real deal. Now, let me tell you about the opportunity right in front of you. The Richfreedom 24/7 Pro is currently available for an exclusive launch price of only $800. That's right, just $800 for a professional-grade trading robot that works for you non-stop. But here's what you need to know. This price will not last forever. Very soon, the price will increase to $1,200. So if you've been waiting for the right time to invest in a powerful, reliable trading tool that can transform your financial future, this is your moment. Don't wait until the price goes up and you end up paying more for the exact same robot. Secure your copy today at the lowest price possible. Robot quality and benefits. The Richfreedom 24/7 Pro is not just a good robot, it's an exceptional trading system. Here's why everyone who uses it absolutely loves it. Checkmark, fully automated. No manual work required. Set it up once and let it run. 24/7 trading. Never misses an opportunity, even while you sleep. Smart risk management. Protects your account with intelligent stop loss and take profit strategies. Proven performance. Back-tested, forward-tested, proven performance. Back-tested, forward-tested, and now live-tested with real results. Easy to use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this robot works for you. Multiple currency pairs. Trades the most profitable Forex pairs with precision. This is the kind of robot that gives you freedom. Freedom from stress, freedom from guessing, and freedom to live your life while your account grows. So here's what I want you to do right now. 1. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because we're bringing you the best trading tools and strategies every single week. 2. Comment below and let me know. Are you ready to experience true trading freedom? 3. Stay until the very end of this video, because I have something really special to share with you. A powerful bonus, a game-changing strategy, and an exclusive opportunity that could completely transform the way you trade forever. Trust me. Right now, you're watching the Richfreedom 24/7 Pro work its magic in real time. Look at those trades. Look at that profit. This is what consistent, automated trading looks like. Imagine waking up every morning to see your account growing. Imagine having a system that trades professionally on your behalf, without emotions, without mistakes, and without missing opportunities. That's exactly what the Richfreedom 24/7 Pro delivers. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what's this special surprise you mentioned? Well, I'm going to reveal it very soon, but first, let me show you a few more incredible features of this robot that make it stand out from everything else on the market. The Richfreedom 24/7 Pro has been designed with one goal in mind: to give you the power to succeed in Forex trading, no matter your experience level. Here's what makes it truly special. Adaptive algorithm. Adjusts to market conditions automatically. Low drawdown. Keeps your risk minimal while maximizing gains. Lifetime updates. You get all future improvements for free. Full support. I'm here to help you every step of the way. And the best part? Traders who've been using my robots are already seeing life-changing results. They're gaining financial freedom, quitting their 9-to-5 jobs, and living the life they've always dreamed of. You could be next. So don't let this opportunity slip away. The Richfreedom 24/7 Pro is available right now for just $800. But remember, this price is going up to $1,200 very soon. Click the link in the description below to secure your copy today. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one, and I'm here to help you succeed. But before you go, remember, I promised you something special at the end of this video, and I always keep my promises. Special bonus / here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. For everyone who purchases the Richfreedom 24/7 Pro during this exclusive launch period, I'm including a free bonus package worth over $500, which includes exclusive trading strategy guide, my personal trading secrets revealed, VIP support access, get priority help whenever you need it, free setup assistance, I'll personally help you get started, lifetime updates, you'll never pay for upgrades. This is my way of saying thank you for trusting me and investing in your financial future. But this bonus is only available for a limited time, so act fast. Click the link below, grab your Richfreedom 24/7 Pro at the lowest price, claim your bonuses, and start your journey to financial freedom today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to see this, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful trading tools and strategies. This is RichMinded Skills, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart, trade safe, and let the Richfreedom 24/7 Pro work for you. Let's get it. Rock it.